Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're going deep into a fascinating intersection of bioinformatics and biotech, all based on a collection of recent publications.
How intriguing.
We've got fresh articles from Nature, the RNA-seq blog, and BioIT World, all published just yesterday and today, February 5th and 6th, 2025.
So a mix of cutting-edge research and industry insights.
Exactly. Get ready for a glimpse into the future of healthcare, with breakthroughs in disease treatment, AI diagnostics, and even a look at how companies are navigating the current political landscape.
Let's dive in. Where should we begin?
Let's start with RNA research. Two articles from the RNA-seq blog caught my eye.
RNA, that crucial messenger molecule that translates genetic information into proteins.
The very same. And these articles reveal just how complex and nuanced that process really is.
I'm sure. What's the first one about?
A team at St. Jude Children's Research Hospital has developed a new tool to improve the analysis of RNA sequencing data.
RNA-seq, a powerful technique. What's special about this new tool?
Well, it takes into account the transcriptome size, which is essentially the total amount of RNA in a cell. Most existing tools don't account for this variation, and that can lead to inaccuracies.
I see. So this new tool allows for more precise comparisons.
Exactly. And that could be instrumental in understanding diseases where even tiny changes in gene expression are critical.
Makes sense. What about the second article from the RNA-seq blog? What caught your attention there?
It's about how scientists are using artificial intelligence, specifically a deep learning technique called RABOTI, to decode RNA translation.
Wow, using AI to understand that intricate process, that's fascinating.
It has huge potential for disease research, especially in cancer. Imagine pinpointing exactly how cancer cells manipulate RNA translation to fuel their growth.
That would be revolutionary. It
Yeah.
could lead to entirely new ways to target and treat cancer.
Absolutely. Now let's switch gears to Nature. They published numerous articles yesterday and today on computational biology and bioinformatics.
Nature always has a treasure trove of cutting-edge research. Anything particularly catch your eye?
Oh, there's quite a variety. Software to help track parasitic nematodes, machine learning models being used to detect diabetes, even exploring the genomics of a lethal disease affecting European bison.
Wow, quite a range of applications.
But I want to focus on two articles that specifically highlight AI's impact on healthcare.
AI in healthcare is such a hot topic right now. What did these articles explore?
Well, one describes how researchers are integrating data from electrocardiograms and fundus images to detect cardiovascular disease early on.
Fundus images, those are pictures of the back of your eye, right?
Right. And the idea is that by combining those images with ECG data, they can spot warning signs before symptoms even appear.
Early detection is key for effective treatment, so that's promising.
The second Nature article focuses on a clinical trial, exploring how GPT-4 can assist physicians in improving patient care.
GPT-4, that powerful AI system that can understand and process language.
Right.
Interesting.
Exactly. The trial is looking at how GPT-4 can support doctors in making better decisions, personalizing treatment plans, and ultimately enhancing the quality of care.
So we have two very different approaches to using AI in healthcare. One focused on early detection, the other on directly supporting physician decision-making.
Do you see them as competing approaches or more complementary?
I think they're definitely complementary. They address different aspects of healthcare, but both aim to improve patient outcomes.
It's remarkable how AI is becoming so integrated into healthcare, and Nature's articles showcase a wide range of applications beyond these two examples.
AI is transforming the field as a whole with seemingly endless possibilities.
From accelerating drug discovery to personalizing medicine based on an individual's genetic profile.
It's mind-boggling, really.
Now let's switch gears to the biotech industry itself, with two insightful articles from BioIT World. They provide a glimpse into how companies are navigating the current political climate.
The intersection of science and politics, always an interesting area.
One article focuses on the J.P. Morgan Healthcare Conference, a major event in the biotech world.
I heard there was a lot of uncertainty there this year, with companies grappling with the potential impacts of the Trump administration.
Exactly. Analysts were particularly concerned about the future of NIH funding and potential regulatory changes.
Those are certainly big concerns for the industry. NIH funding is crucial for research and development, and regulatory changes can have a huge impact on how companies operate.
It's understandable that the political climate would create some unease in the biotech sector, but it's encouraging to see companies like 10x Genomics pushing forward with innovation.
10x Genomics, they're a major player in the single-cell and spatial analysis markets, right?
Exactly. And they've been busy. In 2024, they launched a series of new products, expanding their offerings in both of those areas.
That's impressive.
And they're not stopping there. They're growing their sales team and venturing into new markets as well, a clear sign of confidence in their technology.
It sounds like they're betting big on the future of single-cell and special analysis. For our listeners who might not be familiar, can you explain what those terms mean and why they're generating so much excitement?
Sure, single-cell analysis allows scientists to study individual cells within a sample. It's like getting a high-definition view of what's happening at the cellular level.
Ah, so instead of looking at the average behavior of a large group of cells, they can zoom in and see the unique characteristics of each individual cell.
Precisely. And spatial analysis adds another layer of information by mapping where those individual cells are located within a tissue or organ.
So it's not just about what's happening inside the cells, but also about how those cells are interacting and functioning within their environment.
Right. And at the J.P. Morgan Healthcare Conference, Serge Saxonov, the CEO of 10x Genomics, made a pretty bold statement.
Wow, what did he say?
He said that they believe every relevant biological sample will eventually need to be analyzed with single-cell and spatial context.
Wow, that's a strong statement. It speaks volumes about the potential impact of these technologies.
And with the rapid advancements in bioinformatics and computational biology, those technologies are only going to become more powerful and versatile.
It's mind-boggling to think about the possibilities. From unraveling the complexities of development to finding new cures for diseases, these tools could revolutionize entire fields of research.
Today's deep dive has really painted a picture of the incredible pace of innovation in bioinformatics and biotech.
It's inspiring and a little bit overwhelming all at the same time.
I know what you mean. But it's an exciting time to be following these fields, that's for sure.
Absolutely. And it makes you wonder, where do we go from here? What's the next big breakthrough?
That's the beauty of science, isn't it? There's always something new to discover, always another question to ask. And as we've seen today, technology is giving us increasingly powerful tools to explore those questions.
It's a journey with endless possibilities. And as much as we've covered today, I have a feeling we've only just scratched the surface.
It's incredible to think how much ground we've covered today, from RNA research to AI in healthcare, and even a glimpse into the biotech industry's response to politics. It feels like a whirlwind tour of cutting-edge science and technology.
Yeah, it really highlights the incredible speed at which these fields are advancing and evolving.
Makes you wonder what's next. What breakthroughs are just around the corner?
Exactly. And that's what makes following these fields so exciting. There's always something new to discover, always a new challenge to tackle.
I think it's safe to say we've only just scratched the surface today, but hopefully this deep dive has given our listeners a taste of what's happening at the forefront of bioinformatics and biotech.
And maybe spark some curiosity to explore these topics further. We've included links to all the original articles in the show notes so you can dive deeper into anything that piqued your interest.
And as always, we encourage you to reach out to us with your questions, thoughts, or even just to share your own aha moments.
We love hearing from our listeners. Your perspectives and insights always add so much to the conversation.
So until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember the future is being written right now, and it's filled with incredible possibilities.